Let's create this dark, documentary-style slideshow. Make sure you watch till the end because this effect is super simple yet incredibly cinematic. I have these images already imported into the timeline, and I've set the duration of each image 10 frames. Let's first go to the filters panel and search for black. You can choose any filter you like, but I'll use this one. Next, go to the effects panel and search for film grain. Drag it onto the timeline, then set the percentage to around 30 and the opacity to 70. Now, select all the images, hold the Alt key and drag them to the upper layer to create duplicates. Open the color panel and slightly adjust the exposure and brightness to create a subtle highlight effect. After that, go to the mask section, choose the circle mask and position it around your subject. The goal is to draw attention to the main subject. Set the blur strength to around 2% for a soft, natural look. Repeat the same process for the rest of your images. Adjust the exposure and brightness first, then apply the circle mask. Feel free to experiment with the colors to achieve the look you prefer. By the way, I intentionally use mostly free effects in this tutorial because many of our viewers requested it. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Now trim the extra portions of the duplicated layers and preview the result. It already looks good, but we can improve it even more. Check each image one by one to see if the highlight effect feels too strong. In this image, the white areas are popping a bit too much. So simply select the original image, open the color panel and slightly reduce the white's value. Next, search for the chromatic effect. If you want to keep everything completely free, you can choose the first one. Otherwise, I'll use this version. Set distort to 25, RGB to 30 and range to 40. This gives a subtle cinematic look without being too aggressive. Now move the playhead to around 18 frames and add a default title. Delete the default text and add a rectangle shape. Type your main title inside it. I'll use the Arial font with a size of around 28, then manually adjust its position. I'll also set the character spacing to 1 so the text looks more compact. Disable the shape border, choose any fill color you like and apply the erase animation. I'll remove the ending animation and also set the corner radius to 0 for a cleaner documentary style look. Trim the extra duration, select all the layers and create a compound clip. Set the resolution to 4K. At the beginning, add a transform keyframe, then move to the end and increase the scale to 106 for a subtle zoom effect. As always, apply ease into the keyframes for smoother animation. Now open the color panel again and scroll down to the vignette section. Set the amount to around -50 and the roundness to 22. The preview already looks much more cinematic. To finish the edit, let's add some sound effects. Go to the audio section and search for capture. I'll use the second one because it fits this style perfectly. Trim the silent part, then hold the Alt key and duplicate it across the rest of the images. Next, search for stroke. The first one works perfectly. Drag it to the point where the title appears. Finally, let's add some background music. Search for suspense in the audio section. I'll use this track because it matches the documentary theme really well. And that's it. Our cinematic documentary slideshow is complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see in the next video.